3 months ago, she had no idea that AI would change her life forever. She was still holding the envelope when I walked in. She did not see me. Inside the envelope were the results of her experiment, a meticulous test of 10 budgeting apps. But why was she so focused on this? And what did AI have to do with it? 030 Setup. Welcome to MikiMoney AI. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting apps. Our protagonist, Sarah, is an everyday person just like you, someone looking for ways to manage her finances better. She stumbled upon the idea of using AI tools for budgeting after watching our previous videos on ChatGPT versus Midjourney and Dreamina Seedance 2.0. Intrigued, she decided to put theory into practice. Sarah started her journey by gathering a list of the most popular budgeting apps, from Robinhood to Fidelity, and even some lesser-known gems like Dreamina Seedance 2.0 and Pipit. Her goal was simple: find out which apps truly helped users save money and manage their finances effectively. Little did she know, this quest would lead her down a rabbit hole of unexpected discoveries. 1 o'clock new development. As Sarah began testing the apps, she quickly realized that not all were created equal. Some apps promised the moon, but delivered very little. Others were user-friendly, but lacked the depth needed for serious budget. It was during this phase that she discovered the power of AI tools, tips, and tricks. By integrating AI into her process, Sarah found ways to optimize her spending and savings that she never thought possible. 2 months into her experiment, things took an interesting turn. Sarah noticed that certain apps, when combined with AI, yielded significantly better results. For instance, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, when used alongside specific AI algorithms, helped her identify hidden expenses and streamline her budget. This was a game changer. However, not everything went smoothly. 2 o'clock rising action. The challenge arose when Sarah tried to integrate Pipit into her workflow. Despite its promising features, Pipit struggled with compatibility issues when paired with certain AI tools. This was frustrating, but it also taught Sarah valuable lessons about the importance of choosing the right tools for the job. As complications mounted, Sarah didn't give up. Instead, she dug deeper, exploring various AI tools guides and seeking advice from experts in the field. This led her to discover some unexpected solutions. For example, she found that by tweaking certain settings in Dreamina Seedance 2.0, she could bypass the limitations she initially faced with Pipit. 3 o'clock new question. Here's where it gets interesting. As Sarah continued her tests, she encountered a surprising twist. One of the apps she least expected to perform well turned out to be a hidden gem. This app, when enhanced with AI, offered unique features that none of the others could match. It was a revelation that left Sarah both excited and puzzled. What made this app stand out, and how could others benefit from it? 4 o'clock complications. But the real surprise is coming. As Sarah delved deeper into her findings, she uncovered a critical flaw in several of the budgeting apps. These apps, while seemingly robust, had significant security vulnerabilities. This was a major concern, especially for users dealing with sensitive financial information. Sarah knew she had to address this issue and warn others about the potential risks. 5 o'clock new development. With the stakes now higher than ever, Sarah decided to take matters into her own hands. She reached out to the developers of the problematic apps and shared her findings. To her surprise, they were receptive and committed to fixing the issues. This collaborative effort not only improved the apps, but also strengthened Sarah's belief in the power of community and transparency. 6 o'clock climax. The big reveal came when Sarah compiled her final results. Out of the 10 budgeting apps she tested, only 3 truly stood out. These apps, when integrated with AI, provided unparalleled functionality and security. The top performers were Dreamina Seedance 2.0, a lesser-known app that surprised everyone with its capabilities, and 2 other apps that proved their worth through rigorous testing. 7 o'clock resolution. So, what did we learn from Sarah's journey? First, not all budgeting apps are created equal. Second, integrating AI can significantly enhance the performance of these apps. And finally, choosing the right tools and being aware of potential risks is crucial. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sisters' revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it.